guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So as you can see, I have a special guest with me today. I also have another guest that's off camera. Everybody say hi.
Hey.
So off camera is my homegirl Erica. On camera is my boo Janelle, one of my besties. So we are together showing you guys the Icon Swim swimsuit sale. So if you're looking for some affordable swimsuits, all these swimsuits are $10 or less, but there's one thing about it. Most of them are a size small or a size large. So I ended up getting the size smalls, but I'm not a size small, I'm a size medium. So I wanted to ask my friend Janelle, who is a true size small, to try the swimsuits on with me. So you'll get a perspective of if you want to shop the sale, but you're a size medium or a size small and you're not sure if you could work with it, you'll have the perspective of both. And if you're a size large, there are larges available too, but they were literally almost sold out completely of all the mediums. So these are the first two swimsuits. We are going to show you guys how they look. We'll do a full 360 and then we'll be right back with our thoughts. So you just checked out how these swimsuits look from all around. They do zip in the back. I'm sure you saw that when we did the 360. So these two swimsuits zip in the back. What do you think about the swim? Well, first off, my friend Erica is going to rate the swimsuit. So what do you rate this one out of 1 out of 10?
I do give an 8.
Okay.
Yeah, I give an 8.
So why do you think this one is an 8?
For me personally only, it's the sleeves. I don't like
the sleeves.
Yes.
I would agree. Like I feel like
it looks like it's uncomfortable.
The sleeves are a little awkward and I feel like they're kind of making me sweat a little. I don't know, I think just because they're like so close to my underarm, it's like
practical.
It's making me sweat a little. Like every time I move I just feel a little something. So but I do like the fit of this for it to be a size small.
I love this. Yeah, the shape of it is bomb. And I do like fashion. As a fashion girl, I like the sleeves. But I do feel like it could be awkward for the functionality of swimwear.
But for the fashion of it and for a very different swimsuit, I don't think you're going to find anything else like this anywhere
that's right.
at all.
Yeah.
So it's very creative.
It is.
What about yours? What Erica, what's
I love Janelle's. That's a whole 10 for me. I love it. I think that is so pretty and it looks very good on her shape too.
It really does.
It really does. It's really, really pretty.
And she's a true small. Or would you say you're an extra small?
Depending on the brand, I could be an extra small.
Okay.
Definitely a small. But this is black, so I'm a black girl small for sure.
Black owned.
Black owned.
Icon Swim is black owned.
Yeah.
So you know the sizing can be a little different. But I like how versatile it is. It fits from a medium to an extra small.
I agree. And what I like about it is so this is something you taught me, is that hiking your swimsuit up gives you more hips, curves, body. And so because I can pull these strings up, I can make my waist look smaller and really accentuate hips that I don't even really have.
Right.
So I really like that. That's the most exciting part of it. Is really.
I love it. All right, so we're gonna try on 2 more.
Oh, this looks good in the camera though.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Okay.
I should have did this in the camera.
What you think about this one? I think she likes it, y'all. I think she likes it.
This is, you know what? So on camera, it's better looking at me on camera. This one I really like. I love the shape of this, and I think I would rate this. If the previous one is a 10, then I'm gonna give this a solid. I'm gonna give it a 9 for real. Because
I think it's definitely a 9.
The body is not for me. There's only reason it's a 9 is because I just love the other one so much.
Yeah, but I think on its own, without thinking about the other one, I would say this one is a 10 only because I think it's more versatile for more women.
I agree.
More women will feel more comfortable wearing this one.
I agree.
It's not as cut so high.
Yeah.
It's covering your stomach.
This is all true.
You have more coverage on your bottom.
It's more stretchy.
It's not a thong.
That does not give. So you're right. As far as like, because we were talking about a pregnant woman being able to wear this, it's a lot of stretch in this. That the other one absolutely not. And the sleeves, like we said, they're not tight, and for men that's impressive.
And it's just very forgiving. I would say the same same thing about this swimsuit. Like
I
these
love
two
this, yeah.
are comparable in that way. I think for a more modest woman who
Yeah.
still wants something sexy and young and fun,
Because this one you
can do this.
zip up.
You
so
can zip it up some more. You can zip it down.
Yeah. So if
you know,
you're with your kids and
yeah, you have a lot of options. You have more coverage on the bottom area.
More coverage.
So I like this swimsuit, and the reason why I picked up these two was because I wanted to show an option with more coverage that's still sexy.
They're still sexy, and this is they are both very sexy, but also modest.
Right, and more modest for sure. For sure, but not modest to the point of like, girl, we giving booty, we giving breath, we giving all, we doing it.
It's still a swimsuit.
Yeah, and so I like this option. So definitely check out Icon Swim. All the links down below will be all the links will be listed down below. And like I said, this is all a part of the sale, so you're gonna want to check these out.
And you said $10.
$10 sale.
You can't beat that. You can't beat that. The quality, you can't beat that.
And it's the quality, right?
It is.
You can buy a swimsuit for $10 all day, but will it feel like a $40 swimsuit? This does.
This absolutely does. Now that is for sure.
Yeah. So next one. Oh, what are we rating? What are we rating this one?
I'm rating.
This one, I think. Oh, go
I
ahead.
like that one. Favorite color. The cut is pretty too.
Mm-hmm.
I do like that one, so I do give that one a 10.
Okay.
Janelle's, it looks very, very pretty. It's a pretty color. It's beautiful. But I give that one like an 8.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Why you think an 8?
It's more so it is this part, like the neck part.
Okay.
Yeah, if that makes sense. I don't know if
Yeah, I feel like the neck maybe could have been all the way up, or
a little bit down.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
But I definitely, because I think this one, if you close this one all the way up, it would still be more close.
I think when this might fit better on you too. It might look different.
That's also true.
I'm compact.
Yeah.
So
It's
it
fitting,
might differently.
Okay. All right, you guys. So we are back with switching the swimsuits. So clearly we had to edit these for our body types. What did you have to change?
So the sleeves that you had, they are loose on me, so it doesn't work. So I just tucked them in. Honestly,
you could cut them off.
You could cut them
easily.
off. It's only attached by a small thing. I'll even show. Like they're not. It would be not hard to cut it.
Just cut it.
But but you wouldn't order this swimsuit to have to cut it like that.
But for $10, it's still kind of worth it.
True,
because it's very unique.
The fit is.
It's gaping on you in the back.
But this is too big. This does not fit.
It's not the small. Like this is a small. But this one, I would say, was closer to a medium.
This one looks better on your body type.
Yeah, and this one feels tight on me. Like my chest is like bulging out on this side, like you could see it. So this one is a small as well, but I think this one
it's tight. It's very. It's
tight on me.
Yeah.
It would fit better on her.
Absolutely, and I think this one fit better on you.
Not to mention, I have more hips, and my hips sit low. So having these strings dangling, sitting on my hips that are already poking out, I didn't like how that looked.
Yeah.
So I tied this around my stomach because I didn't like how it looked just hanging on my hips.
So this crazy because like we gave like these swimsuit higher rating.
Yes. In the reverse.
And
So I would probably say this one for me is probably like a 7.
Yeah, I'm not very
6.
impressed with this on me. But I loved it on you.
Yeah.
So again, that's why we're doing this.
So next one. So we have a cover up for Miss Janelle and slides. I think we have slides to go with that, right? They're probably too big for you, but you could show them. So the slides go with the cover up. Now clearly you could wear the slides with the cover up or with the swimsuit because they do have yellow in them, and the slides are a part of the sale. Actually, the slides might not be a part of the sale. Let me not overspeak, but I will put all the prices and sizes and list how you can navigate to the website down below, so you can definitely check there. This swimsuit, I don't know, you guys, I'm not 100% sold on this one. I feel like of all the swimsuits we've tried on and all the looks we've tried, this is the most basic.
This is, and not to say it's a bad swimsuit or this is not a bad cover up, but the other pieces we tried on were just so outstanding. This is something I feel like you could get and you could see anywhere. Yeah,
this is very standard, but I guess you do have to have some of that in every collection, right? Something that can appeal more broadly.
Yeah.
I do feel like though this part is a little high. I almost feel like I would have liked it a little better if this part was like here.
Yeah.
But then it would be gapping here. So that's the only part that I would have liked a little bit more.
Yeah, I think for me, this is fine for a cover up. I do have a mommy pouch, you know, so I did take the strings to try to suck me in. And I
think it does give you shape.
Yeah, to give me shape is using the strings, and that's just something for any outfit is to use the string to provide a better waist.
And I like the material.
The material is very
interesting. It's got this diagonal.
Yeah, I was like, the material is cool, and the way it clings to you is really cool. You could definitely wear a swimsuit, and because it's sheer, you probably would want to wear a swimsuit.
Yeah.
And then, but it's the way it clings is. I think with the swimsuit too, I honestly think because the swimsuits are snatching our waist, that the cover up, which is not necessarily snatching my waist, would look more snatched.
So this is how these two pieces are meant to be worn. This is the way Icon Swim does intend you to wear this look, with the cover up and the swimsuit underneath.
Tighten it. I don't know what material it is. It's like this particular material of Lycra that Icon Swim is using is very snatched.
It's very, and even Erica had commented.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very snatched. So Erica left, so she's not gonna be able to rate our stuff, so we're gonna have to rate them ourselves. For me, I would rate this one maybe a 7.
Yeah, I agree. And for this, without the swimsuit, I'm gonna rate it probably about the same. I was thinking like 6, 7.
Yeah.
It's just, it's nothing wrong with it. It's just the other items were
so exciting. Yeah, that these just feel like,
but yellow is the black girl's color too.
It is, and you should always have some yellow in your summer collection, so this could be a great item for $10.
Yeah, that's what I said. For the money, it's definitely worth having.
Absolutely. Next. All right, so we switched from the orange and brown, and this right here is giving, like, it's giving everything it was supposed to give. And for me, I feel like these two are the clear winners, because I feel like on both of us, these two look great. The other one wasn't as interchangeable. Like,
no,
they didn't work on both of us size wise, and the sizes that are available online are small.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So
in that case, these are the most versatile to body. Yeah, these are most versatile.
Yeah, they fit more body types and more body sizes.
They're still very sexy, and the colors of these, like this brown looks good on our skin.
It's very
this
special.
Orange looks good on our skin. So I love the color.
Of
both of these swimsuits
and the versatility of sexy and mommy.
Yeah. We talked about that these are mommy appropriate swimsuits, because you might not necessarily want your whole butt out, you know, when you're with your kids. I mean, because it might draw more attention than you want when you're with your children.
Right.
Now, if you're going with your vacation,
or your home, y'all turning up, y'all lit with your home,
right?
girls.
You might want to wear the other thing. You about to stunt on the ground.
Because I told her, I would maybe want this a little more up my butt, but she's like, no. I'm like, I would want this, bless you. I would want this a little more, you know, cakes, but yeah.
Yeah, I think. Well, and let me just say, this feels really good on.
It does.
Both of these swimsuits
secure.
Feels,
Yeah.
The other, I'm not even gonna lie. As sexy as the other one was, I felt uncomfortable.
Right. Because you're like, is my nipple out?
And
like,
it was so much. It was cut so high. And so I'm like, woo, this is.
Am I okay?
I feel like, and that's the other thing, if your kids, you gotta run into the pool real quick. You know what I'm saying? Nothing's coming out of this.
Right.
You know, like, that other suit.
Anything could happen.
So this is.
My breast was bulging out and I wasn't even moving.
Right. So I think as far as winners go, these are the best options. They have the most versatility. But ultimately, great brand, great quality.
Yes, this is my first time trying Icon Swim. Thumbs up to this black-owned business. No wonder it's taken over. It's like, I remember when Icon Swim hit the gram.
Yeah.
It was like a storm of Icon Swim everywhere.
I see it a lot too, yeah.
And this was before even like the other ones that are very competitive now. But Icon Swim was like the first that was black-owned and did it. So kudos to you all. Thank you so much for sending over these swimsuits. Hopefully we can do it again and bring you guys more looks from this brand, because I'm pleased.
I'm very pleased. I'm very, very pleased. Like, as a stylist, I'm impressed with the quality.
Absolutely.
It's the quality
and
for
it's
me.
the quality and the price is just,
And the color.
you can't be, well, you know who they have of us in mind.
Yeah.
So you just already know.
Yeah.
So check out Icon Swim. All the links will be down below. Make sure you guys hit subscribe if you like this content. Give us a thumbs up if you want to see us do more content together, because I think we complement each other. We're good friends.
We really are in real life.
In real life. So definitely give us a thumbs up. Tell us what your favorite swimsuit was, and we'll see you in the next one.